Like a famous advert once said, it's good to talk, but sometimes, things need to be said in person. Things don't always come across properly in email, text or chat. But what about when you can't get together for a chat? That's where Google Duo helps. Google Duo is available on your Nest speakers and displays. It's built into your Pixel phone and it's available as an app on Android and iOS. You can make audio calls from any Google smart speaker or display, and if you have a Hub Max, you can make video calls as well. Pretty cool, right? Why don't we check it out? I've got something to say to McCartney. Hey Google, call McCartney.
Making a call to McCartney on Duo.
Hey bro, what's happening? Just watching our videos on YouTube.
Oh look, I've got something to tell you, man.
What's up?
You are my favourite lead trainer.
Oh man,
I mean,
thank you.
After me, of course, but You see, calling someone on Google Duo is super easy, and there's a whole bunch of features when you're in the call as well. Hey McCartney.
Sometimes you might get a call when you least expect it, like now. The great thing is Duo on Pixel lets you handle those situations. So first of all, for low light, you go into the menu, and then when you click on low light, it allows you to actually, there we go, it brightens up the camera. You also have a filter called portrait. If I click on portrait, how do I look, Nathan? If you turn off portrait, you can turn on auto framing. Now what auto framing does is it will track me. There we go. Let's not forget about those effects that can jazz up any video. Choose the effects tab here, and I'm gonna have a flower on my head. Look at me, Nathan. I am bright as summer sunshine. If a call comes in while you're doing something on your phone, you can easily switch back and still have your call running in picture while you're browsing stuff on your phone. Now isn't that amazing?
And by the way, I only had McCartney in that call, but Google Duo supports up to 12 people in a chat, so go and add your family or friends. And for those times you can't answer, or maybe just don't want to, Google Duo supports up to 30 seconds of video or voice messages which can be left by your contacts. That looks like I've got one now actually.
We hope that you've enjoyed learning about Duo calling. Why not use it to call a loved one today? Bye.